Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? I'm CJ over here at Limitless Lithium. Don't forget to subscribe to YBASS's YouTube channel. Leave a comment down below what you thought. Hit the notification bell so you know every time YBASS posts a new video. Also, check out YBASS at ybassworld.com for top names in the audio industry.
Can you tell everybody who you are and what you got?
What's up, man? My name's Ronald. I got 615 Brazilian sound teams. They're on 2 Salt 8Ks and a 240 C-Max lithium bank.
All right. And but what is the boxing tuned to?
Tuned to 24 on the low side and 48 on the high end.
And she get low because yeah, that's why I had to ask that because this thing it's digging.
Yeah, it likes it.
Yes, and is this a new build for you?
Yes, we just finished it Friday.
Very nice. It's a clean truck build. This is a what?
It's Titan. Okay. Yeah, 2019 Titan.
Yeah. Yeah, this is nice. Beautiful build. Appreciate the demo. And who built it?
Andy Wardrop.
Okay.
Ira Customs.
Ira Customs. There we go, baby. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Hey yo, Brody. Look. She like the way it drip drop, pushes in a pit stop. Hands all clean, at your door, let you know. Till I chop a bit block, pulling in a zip lock, sticky in the middle, watch your door, let it show. In the city, I'm like sis God known for the big rock. And I'm with the missile, watch your door, let you know. Little nigga been hot, baby, drop a pin drop. Shouldn't run the heat if you can't take a smoke. Set focus on a shot, no need for a scope. Damn, heaters on the block, no need for a coat. Right off the jet, laying out in the boat. Yeah, I think I'm in an A, but I'm on up on the coast. With a bad little plays on it, let it give me throw. Throw a couple hundred, so I steady give a hope. Started with a prayer, but we ended with a toast. Only seeing dead faces when I'm rounding that ghost. I guess the bone, but no fuck with these stars. These LLCs working, we duck on these laws. Double the price, then we pass on the job. But if you start tweaking, we taking it off. Don't be confused, my nigga. These are the clues, stick to the rules. Don't be a fool, my nigga.